And when me do my thing, people say me love trouble. And people say me a run in, and people say me a do this and me a do that. Imagine since last week, Monday, me a go through hell with Karen and Shawn just because I say me a go be them new manager. And yesterday, I signed them as my talent. And would you believe, say Shawn and Karen gone pan road, gonna have man a talk about a them new manager, and him a go change chip and any business for come through them. Bad man, you can't take Karen and Shawn from a bad man. You no can't manage them. You now figure beat my contract when me sign with them Sunday. You hear me I tell you? Nobody never want to be no manager until me come out and say me want to be the man. Nobody at all never want to be no manager until me say me I go take them up and take them life and change them life around and turn them in a superstar. But you want to hear about the bag of work we are coming, the bag of promotions we are coming, and through them they're so far from me not get for match them up yet. Everybody want to turn manager. You see, you know some set of wicked people, you know? You know some set of wicked people, you know? And Karen and Shawn, you sit down and come and talk about, I come call different man name. And me and done. It's like every week, you no sense. Every week, you just a change manager, you do this, you do this, you do around this. Like, you take this thing for that. You don't want to get rich or what? I know what you really are dealing. I can't believe the people them sit down. I come and, yo, I say thing about me, say youth. Actually, you don't even know where am I going to take with chip like so I can't find them. I want to see who can stop me from go for the talent them and give them work and bust them. I want to see who for stop me.